In this video, I will show you how to access the Chrome Web Store on a Google Chrome browser. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's actually two ways you can access the Chrome Web Store. What you can do is come across to google.com and just simply Google search for the Chrome Web Store. And what you want to do is click onto the top result, which should take you to the official website, which is chromewebstore.google.com. Another way to do this is what you can also do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and if you hover over the extensions option, in this submenu you're going to see an option to visit the Chrome Web Store. Give that a click and that's going to take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can start searching for different extensions and themes which you can add to Google Chrome. So that is how to access the Chrome Web Store in a Google Chrome browser. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.